Hello everyone, welcome back to my Flosstube. This is just a quick little video to say Happy Christmas to everyone that celebrates, and I hope you're all doing well. I have lots of stuff I could talk about, but I'll do a proper Flosstube soon. It is Monday the 23rd of December. It's about, I don't know what time, it's probably about 2:30, 3ish, maybe a bit later, and I have a very exciting package to unwrap with you. This is my Swan fabric delivery that I won at the Stitch in London retreat. There was a raffle and Marie and Gunther had put in the raffle for one person to win an entire set of their collection in fat quarters in a fabric count of their choice. And amazingly, I was that very lucky person. I mean, I had bought a fair few extra tickets. My friend Danny had given me some of her tickets, one of which won the Teresa Kogut charts. I think they're Teresa Kogut. But my numbers came through on this one, and oh my gosh, I cried on the day, I cried after the day. I have cried today, but that's about something else, not about this. It's about not finishing my sister's Christmas present in time, but you'll see that another day. So I'm just unboxing it now. Sorry about the noise, I'm just unwrapping it. So it's in a package. Might cut out that sticker. You don't need to be here while I'm doing that though. It's very well packaged. I'm trying to do it with as minimal noises as possible. So, outer paper is now removed. And there's inner paper with more sellotape, so I need to cut this. I mean, I wonder if Gunther does the packaging, because this is wrapped like my husband would wrap a Christmas present, just for the enjoyment of watching us struggle to get into them. I see a blue box. This might be like thing ever. I'm going just ripping now, sorry. Look, comes in this beautiful box with a beautiful ribbon, which I shall pull. And then untie the knot that I've created from pulling the ribbon. Can you see my dog? He's so sleepy. He's not brilliantly well at the moment, so we're just leaving him be. I went and picked up some tablets after I gave blood just now. So, for the dog, not for me. Right, here's the box. And it's got a nice magnet close. This could be a nice project box. Ta-da! There's a little note and a card and many wrapped fabrics. Let me see them. I'll show you them all. Oh, it says, thank you so much for taking part in this Great Ormond Street Hospital charity raffle. Hope you now enjoy stitching on them, Marie. And I'm very glad I did take part, obviously. But Great Ormond Street, you can't say no to that. So here's the first colour. Put it against this, will that help? And this is 36 count, because that's what I decided to go for, linen, in Pemberley. I'm not going to open them up all the way, because then I'll never get them folded again. So it's a nice neutral. Well, to be fair, all of the Swan Bay fabric range is a nice neutral. That's what they've gone for, if you get what I mean. Each one's wrapped up so so beautifully. And this is dog incoming. Richie, please don't knock that. Go on, hop up, hop up. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There he is. There's he. Good boy. And this is he's gone again. Rosing's Parlour, 36 count. Oh, they're all going to be 36 count. I don't need to keep saying that, do I? Rosing's Parlour, that's beautiful. Then we've got Wentworth Sage. Now, the colours might not be ideal, but you get the gist. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What's next? This is like the best ever unwrapping. Ooh. Norland Mist. Dog incoming. Don't worry, he's not going anywhere near the fabric. Up, up. So this is a gorgeous silvery blue. No, maybe it's silvery purple. I don't know. I'll have to look at it in sunlight. Maybe it's just silvery. It's delicious, whatever it is. Ew. This one looks a bit yellowier. Oh, Mary's Sampler. And they all come with this nice little tag that tells you what it is. Matches my wall quite nicely. Now, one of these I need to choose for Modern Folk Embroidery's Stitch Along for the Year next year, and one of them I want to do Theresa Kogat's And God Saw. That might be a nice one for the no, maybe not. Might be a nice one for this first one we saw, the Pemberley, because it needs a nice sort of neutrally beigey. I'm not very good at colours. If I was, I'd be a fabric dye. Ooh. Let me introduce you to Mansfield Stone. It's a very nice. It's like a grey blue, maybe. They're probably thinking, no, Izzy, no, don't stop trying to describe our colours, because they're not those colours. They are gorgeous. Mansfield Stone, that one was. And this one, I've got this one in a 40 count because I bought it at Stitch in London. This is Longbourn Blush. So now I have it in a 40 and a 36. It's like a pinky colour. If I put that next to it, does it help? You can see the contrast between white and pink anyway. It's like a ballet pink. Ballet pink for, oh, num 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 num. But the childish part of me thinks that plus a bright pink would be perfect, like a cerise flamingo pink. And the other part of me says, you've got this gift, you need to respect it and do respectful stitching on it, which is not something massively bright and orange or bright pink. We'll see. Ooh, this one might be perfect for the And God Saw by Theresa Kogat. I should have bought it over, really. To be fair, I don't actually know where it is. This is Light Sanditon, which, if you compare it with that first one, which was Pemberley, it's a much lighter than that, and completely different colour actually. Can you see? Oh, I was going to do my nails before I recorded this. Oh well. Too late now. Is my dog licking himself inappropriately behind me? Yes, yes he is. He's licking his bottom. So I'll just have to sit like this and then you won't see. Sorry if you can hear him. Oh, now he's looking affronted. It's like, lady, you're so rude. Talking about my derriere on internet. And are you licking as well? Stop it. Stop it. And this isn't yours, this is mine. My friend Leslie gave me this, it's not yours. Well, it might be his for the next minute or two. Highbury Gold is the next one. It's just so delicate. The colours are just so delicate. Isn't that lush? Oh, that makes it look very yellow. But it's not that yellow, it's that yellow. So dainty, it's like lemony, very, 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 very pale lemony. The next one, see, they're all wrapped up in tissue paper with handmade with love stickers. I feel the love, I really do. Ooh. Heartfield Moss, that goes nicely on my sofa, doesn't it? That's a nice green. This one might be the one for Jacob's, Jacob Modern Folk Embroideries, Bold Queen Birdies. Because I'm doing it in 501. I know that I'm doing it in 501. I just wonder if that might be a bit close actually. It's 501. I'll have to have a look later. I've got some thread, so I'll have a look. I'll keep that one to one side. Then we have, what do we have? Eleanor's Ivory, which is of course an ivory colour. My husband's poking his head round the curtain. Go away. You can look at the lovely fabric in a minute if you've got clean hands. He's cleaning the oven, so his hands are not likely to be that clean. Oh, so we had light Sanditon, and this is dark Sanditon. And if I get the light Sanditon, if I can find it. Oh my gosh, so much fabric. Is this it? Had to be the one, yeah. Had to be the one where I tucked the label on the inside. So this is the light Sanditon, this is the dark Sanditon. I wonder if the fact they're called light and dark means they've used the same colours, like the same colour group, or just that they're different. I have questions. And then the last one, oh, how lucky am I to have received all this? Barton Clay. It's gorgeous. Might focus if my face isn't in it. It's like a pretty terracotta. I don't normally like terracotta. It's a dark blush pink. It's nice. It's just lovely. So there we are. 13. Oh, I'm so lucky. 13 fat quarters of beautiful, beautiful hand-dyed fabric. I still feel like the luckiest girl in the planet. On the planet? In the planet. In the planet's atmosphere. So there we are. So swanbayfabrics.com, I think. Let's have a look. Yes, swanbayfabrics.com is where you want to go to get those. And yeah, brilliant. Thank you so much, Marie and Gunther. I'm very, very grateful. Take care. Bye.